Good afternoon.
Hello.
Welcome to Laliland. Hi. Hi guys.
Hello, everyone.
We have something exciting to talk about. We just reached our exact 6-month mark on keto.
6 months on keto.
For those that don't know, we've been doing the ketogenic diet since April. It's become a lifestyle for us. It's not really a diet per se. Get my pumpkin shirt. Yes. Look at my leggings. Ooh. Pumpkin booty. Just wanted to kind of check in and tell you guys how we're feeling after 6 months of eating high fats, high healthy fats, low carbs, under 20 net carbs if we can per day. And some days we have up to 30 depending on the day. From my highest weight, which I think was back in December when I had pneumonia last year, 2017. When I do the math, I'm down a solid 42 pounds. That comes mostly in the form of losing my boobs, my feet shrunk, oops, this area. This is not the most flattering outfit for me to have worn to show you guys this today. But this area, let's not show the thighs. That's where I mostly lost my weight. I have bloated days just like any woman does, but for the most part, overall, from my highest weight last December until now, I'm down 42 solid pounds that I never want to see back. My goal is really to walk into a store and put on whatever's in that store. So I don't have a number goal. If I had to pick a number goal, it would be another solid 30 to 40 pounds before I'm happy. That's where.
A lot.
It's my body. It's my choice to shake it down to what I need to shake it down to. Talk about you, because you don't go on the scale much.
My arm.
Oh my God, the
Holding
drama.
that phone.
But he's been working out. By the way, I have not worked out. I've lost this weight in 6 months
That's
without
right.
working
I'm
out.
in the gym 3-4 days a week.
How much have you lost?
Not as much as you, but I'm building muscle.
But you've lost a significant amount as well.
About 30, 35. Yeah, I'm trailing her a little bit, but I like bought new jeans. I'm down like
His belly's like
2
gone.
jean sizes. My belly's sort of.
Well, he's got a little pouch.
Yeah.
Little pouch.
I have like the freshman 15 college year pouch on the bottom of the belly. I want to be like between 200 and 225. Right now I'm at like 250. So start out, first plateau 225. Hopefully get down closer to 200.
Now that I'm getting more comfortable with where I'm at with my weight loss, I am going to work out more. Due to my immune system, I can't go to a gym to work out. So I have this handy dandy stationary bike, which is kind of not in its position right now. But I will use this more. I mean, it's in our living room for a reason. So I think his focus is going to be more on tracking better, whereas I'm going to focus more on working out better. And this way we're kind of maybe meet in the middle.
Yeah.
Thanks for those of you who do check out our journey on the Keto Couple NJ on Instagram. That's our keto specific page that we post what we're eating pretty much, because that's what Instagram's for, pictures. If there's a recipe that we've tried, most likely Mikey's the one posting that picture. If it's us eating something pre-made, most likely I'm posting that picture. So he's in the kitchen more than me. Here's to another 6 months. We will show you some more keto hauls soon. Winter dishes when the time comes.
Yeah, hearty soups and
because
stuff.
we haven't done any of that. We haven't recorded really any of that. Do you want to see recipes? Like if you do keto or you're interested in keto, do you want to see some of the recipes? I'm going to link here when I made the egg loaf. Who uses monk fruit?
Monk fruit's awesome.
I love monk fruit. Try it, guys. Order it on Amazon. My bike just opened
So much
up.
better than sugar.
Yes, sugar's bad. Bad. Thank you for watching Laliland.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
Stay tuned for some haunted attractions. And for those of you that do keto, leave us a comment. Let us know what your favorite winter type recipe is so that we can make that and maybe share it with you guys.
See you guys later.
Bye. Hey, it's me again, just popping in the middle of our video to just kind of stress that we do use certain supplements that I did notice have been making a huge difference in our, at least for me, with no immune system, making a difference in my life. I'm going to link that as well so you guys can see I love Pure Thrive. Their B12 shoots directly into my mouth and it does help. I've taken B12 for years and this is probably the healthiest I've been. Maybe it's luck, maybe it's keto, maybe it's Pure Thrive products. I don't know, but it's been awesome. So I just wanted to throw that in because I did forget to talk about our supplements that we take other than, we do take magnesium pills, I take echinacea, I take vitamin C, so a lot of stuff. But the B12 has been a significant difference, and I also enjoy the Keto Balance. I do take those. Some people have asked which supplements we take, so I just wanted to throw that out there. Now you can have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching Laliland. Bye. By the way, Mikey's going to get me some wings from Chickies and Pete's. We get the dry rub. They're so good. So I'm going to eat those and chill. We'll watch a little TV. Let me know what you suggest on Netflix lately, because we're interested in new stuff. Thanks. Bye.